Hi dear students, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is about English language or literature, which is essential to pass any examinations of the world. Now, English words followed by preposition with meaning and sentence for civil and competitive examinations, world civil services, and jobs examination. These words with meaning and sentence will be helpful for various examinations of the world, such as UPSC, CSS, PCS, Universitiurs, ET, IELTS, GRE, Gaokao, Mensa, UPSC, TOFEL, GMAT, CELTA, CELIP, TOFEL, TOEFL, prelims, and others examination. The students are advised to write these words in separate copy. This practice will improve your vocabulary, spelling, and writing power. Please subscribe the channel and share. Thanks. Now let us start. The first word is act, followed by preposition. Act on, to affect, to exert, to influence upon. Heat acts on every metal and causes it to expand. Number 2, act for, to act on behalf of, when the principal or head of institution or head of school is absent, the vice principal acts for him. A lawyer acts for his client. Number 3, act up to act in accordance with, or its other meaning is to dance to the tune of. You must act up to the instructions of your superiors. A gentleman always acts up to his promise. Number 4, bear down, to overthrow or crush by force. The German army was borne down by the Allied forces. The police have borne down the dacoits. Number 5, bear out means to support. His statement is not borne out by the facts. Number 6, bear with, to tolerate. We can no longer bear with his rudeness. Teacher cannot bear with dismal performance of any student. Number 7, to bear up, to keep one's courage. My friend bore up in the face of all difficulties, or faced all difficulties. They bore up in the face of great hardships. Call 8, to pay a brief visit to a place. I called at your house last evening, but you were not there. Number 9, call to account, to demand explanation of. You will be called to account for this mistake. Number 10, call to bear, to be admitted as barrister or an advocate in the bar. Allama Iqbal was called to the bar in 1908. Call on, to visit a person. I shall call on you today at 4 p.m. Call in question, to express doubt. We cannot call the honesty of the PM in question. Number 13, call a spade a spade. It is also an idiom, to speak plainly and bluntly. You will be offended if I call a spade or speak truth in front of you. Call God to witness, to declare solemnly. I call God to witness that I never abused him. Number 15, do away with, to abolish, to destroy, to kill. The evil customs should be done away with, means stopped. The robbers did away with the money lender. Number 16, be done for, to ruin or to destroy. He was engaged in wood business and was done for in a few years' time. Means he was destroyed. Number 17, drew up, tired out. At the end of the day's work, he felt to be done up. Exhausted means do the trick, to achieve one's object, to accomplish one's purpose. His last hit did trick and he got through the examination. To do justice, to treat fairly. You have not done full justice to your meals. Do time, to be in the prison. Corrupt politician is doing his time in the jail. Do without, not to be dependent. Now he is grown up and can do without anybody's guidance. Means he became mature. Number 22, do brown, to make a fool of. Later on I came to know that they had done brown with me. Means they fooled me, befooled me. Number 23, draw on, to borrow from, to depend on. I draw on Mahmoud for my immediate expenses, or a friend on for immediate expenses. Fall across, to meet by chance. Yesterday I fell across an old friend. Fall among, to combine into midst of. He felt as if he had fallen among the thieves, or circled. Number 26, fall away, to decline gradually. His reputation as writer has fallen away. Fall back, to yield, to concede. At last the rebels fell back. Number 28, fall back upon, to have recourse to, some help. We must have something to fall back upon in times of emergency. Fall flat, produced no effect. My advice fell flat on him. Means he does not listen to my advice. Number 30, fall foul of, to quarrel with. At the meeting, one group of students fell foul of the others. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and write in your own copy. Thanks. Wish you good luck. Keep study.